everyone, welcome back to Studio 33 Art by Kay. I'm just going to be trying out some of these pouring masters ready to pour paints, as I know a lot of you have trouble with consistencies and so on, and I just wanted to show you today how you can use these ready to pours to do a beautiful coaster. I'm going to make a set of 4, but I'll only show you one of them on camera. But I'm going to lay down the base of the Pouring Masters Ready to Pour Special Effects, the Aqua Violet Iridescent, which is like a colour shift paint. And then I'm going to be laying down all these metal colours, so such as, this is coffee brown metallic pearl, and then the antique bronze metallic pearl, deep brown metallic pearl, placer gold metallic pearl, and the Aztec gold metallic pearl. So they will be going through the aqua, which will be the base. And then I'm going to create the cells with the Amsterdam Oxide Black cell activator over the top. I'm just going to shut my window. My neighbour's just decided to do his whippersnipping. Always great timing, isn't it, when you start to do a video, somebody decides to do other things outside. Never mind. So, without further ado, I shall lay down the Aqua Violet Iridescent. I'm just going to spin that out. I like to spin the colours out when I'm laying them down as a base, just to get them to lie nice and smooth. I'm probably not quite in the centre of my turntable there, but never mind. You can see I've just shaken that up and it's got lots and lots of bubbles in it, so I will give that a torch in a second, or I use my heat embossing tool actually. Either way, I just want to make sure all my edges are going to be covered as well, so that when I do a small spin later and the bronzy colours come over, it'll have a lovely edge on it. So I'll just finish spreading that. And give one last little spin. And that should be right. So I'll just use my heat embossing tool. I'm just going to lay down my paints. I will list all these paints in the description box below. So I'm just going to do a line straight through the middle here. And I'd just like to mention too, thank you to all of those of you who have subscribed to my channel so far. It's much appreciated. And if you haven't already, if you would like to, that would be fantastic. Thank you so much. So I'm just laying these colours through. I always love this aqua green with the metallic colours, or the metal colours. So gold. And finally, the Aztec gold. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my little flat spatula that I've got here. And I'm just going to add some of the Amsterdam Oxide Black, which I've mixed with Australian Floetrol. So it's the only thing that's been mixed with Floetrol. Everything else is just straight out of the container. So this has been mixed 1 part paint to 4 parts Australian Floetrol. And so now I'm just going to swipe that straight through the middle there. Beautiful. I love that. These beautiful metallics against that green, just lovely. And this being the green being a colour shift colour, it just, when I turn my head, it goes a pinky sort of shade or violet shade, and then when I look the other way, it's the green or aqua. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of modification, just using a bamboo skewer. I just like to get a bit of shape in there. Always wipe off the skewer between, otherwise you'll end up mashing up your colours. Now I really like when I do these swipes, when I get this black at the top here, it just kind of outlines the cells where you start. And then I'll come back this way. So this is where you can get really creative and turn the swipe into whatever you want to. Now this guy here, I'll just bring it in here down to the corner there. Okay, so now I'll just give that a gentle spin. I don't want it to expand too much because I think it's really beautiful the way it is. But you know, that's really pretty simple. And I've got some lovely cells going on here. And as I say, it was just from straight out of the bottles, apart from the cell activator. So I just want to fix this bit up here. Let's do a few little swirls there. And you can be as creative as you like with the modification process. Oh, when you look at it from this angle, that's really lovely. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a small spin just to get those pattern to spread out just a little bit. Don't want it to spread too much. And there we have it. Those metal colours have really gone beautifully there, and against that aqua. Yep, really loving those cells. So I'll bring you down for a close-up. So here we are coming down for the close-up of this very pretty piece. All those metal colours have really come up beautifully with some nice cells. And the base where I've used that is like an interference colour, or I call it colour shift. You can see that it's aqua one way, but you can see there where it's taking on the purple. There we go. It has that sort of violet colour, and then you turn the camera the other way, it goes back to green, back to violet, which is just lovely. So that didn't take me long to do. Just a simple swipe over the top of some colours, doing a bit of modification and a small spin. And that is a really unique, very attractive little coaster. Okay, so hopefully you'll have a go at that, guys. Let me know if you do. And I'll see you back here in Studio 33 in the not too distant future. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.